Turning our focus to government efforts to evacuate South Korean nationals stranded in Wuhan now. A chartered plane is heading to the Chinese city as part of plans to fly out some 700 people. Kim Min-ji reports.
South Korea sent a chartered plane to the Chinese city of Wuhan on Thursday evening to evacuate its nationals there. After hours of coordination, China gave its approval for one charter flight. The arrangement is a shift from Seoul's initial plan to send two charter planes to evacuate more than 700 South Koreans from the city on Thursday and Friday. Due to the change, about half the nationals will likely be able to board the plane back to South Korea, while more talks will be needed to bring back the rest of the people stuck in Wuhan.
There have been changes in the seating arrangements due to the reduction in the number of flights. But as those that are allowed to leave the country are asymptomatic, we are taking actions to step up safety measures to allow the boarding of the maximum number of people on one flight. As for those that are unable to return on this flight, we will boost coordination with the Chinese government to have them evacuated as soon as possible.
The passengers will be subject to quarantine checks before the flight, and those showing any kind of symptom will not be allowed to board the plane. If they show symptoms on the plane, they will be isolated throughout the flight and sent to a designated medical center immediately upon arrival. All passengers will again have to go through quarantine procedures when getting off the plane. The charter flight is scheduled to depart Wuhan early Friday. After arriving at Gimpo International Airport, the residents from Wuhan will be transferred to two government facilities to be quarantined for at least 14 days. They will be isolated in separate rooms with the exception of families with young children. During the 2-week period, they will be barred from leaving the premises, prohibited from visitations by guests, and there will be limited contact among those staying at the facilities. They will also be subject to health checks twice each day, and if they show any symptoms or have fever, they will be transferred to medical centers for treatment. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.